Hi guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So I'm using this Snapchat filter today because my skin is really irritated and I look like a hot mess. So, putting that aside, today's video is going to be super quick. To continue the For Dummies series, I decided to show you how to clean your makeup tools, from brushes to a beauty blender. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video.
Okay, so I'm just putting my stand that I have for my brushes when they're done washed together, and I am going to put that aside. I found this at Walmart. I find it really useful for me because it has different sizes, and so I could fit a variety of brushes in it, and it helps to make sure, you know, that I'm holding my brushes correctly once they're drying. I also found this little brush cleaner from Walmart. I think it was from not Makeup Forever, Real Techniques. But you don't have to use that. You can, you know, use your hands or something. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting some regular dish soap on it and putting a little bit of water and taking my brushes, cleaning it on the surface of my little cleaner. But I'm trying to make sure that it doesn't go past the bristles, like where the barrel meets the bristles, because if you do that, it's going to deteriorate over time and you're going to be messing up your brushes, and you guys don't want that. You want your tools to last you a good amount of time, because brushes are expensive and who wants to be replacing brushes all the time? Not me. So yeah, I continue this process until all my tools are clean, and then I lay them flat on the sink there off to the side until I'm ready to rinse them. So now I'm at the rinsing process, and I'm doing the same thing when I clean them, but only with just the tap. So no soap, no nothing, and I'm just going round and round and round until all the suds are completely gone. I shake my brushes out a little bit to get out the excess, and I also squeeze the bristles, and then I put them through my little holder like so and put it off to the side. So I complete, you know, all my brushes, and then we're gonna get into the beauty blender. So excuse my dirty beauty blender, but I wanted it to be as dirty as possible for this video. So I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm getting it nice and all wet, soak it out really good. And it doesn't matter what soap you use. I use dish soap as well as this soap here. It's called the Beauty Cleanser from the same brand of the beauty blender. But yeah, so I'm washing my sponge nice, you know, putting the soap on there, rubbing it in, squeezing out the excess. Now there are some times when it doesn't work completely, and there's just like some makeup that will not budge. So as you can see here, there's still a stain on my beauty blender, and what you do is you take a cup, some olive oil, dish soap, and some warm water, put it all in your little cup, swirl it around, mix it really well, and you're going to take your beauty blender and use that concoction to now wash the sponge. And you do this as many times as you need to get the stain out, but I'm telling you, it will work. There are some times when dish soap or my beauty cleanser will not work, and it needs that olive oil to really grab onto that makeup, and the dish soap will help wash it away. I'm telling you, it works wonders. So I did that 2 times, and I'm rinsing out the final concoction out of the sponge, and as you can see, it pretty much took all of that out, and voila, your beauty blender is as good as new.
So that wraps up the video, guys. I hope you guys learned a few little things. FYI, if you guys don't have a little holder, you can makeshift something with a towel rack and some rubber bands. You don't have to use a beauty blender soap. You could use any dish soap that you have. Some people use like bar soap that they use for their body and stuff. Also, if you don't have a little scrubber, that's fine. Use your hands. Some people DIY stuff with a glue gun and something really durable to help scrub it. So yeah, as long as you don't get the barrels too wet and don't lay them upside down because you don't want to mess up the glue, you guys will be fine. The beauty blender was pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have ever tried to wash your brushes or beauty sponges, and you know, how did that come out? You guys sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and wherever else you can pollinate my videos. Make sure you guys also ring that notification bell, that way you guys are notified of any future content, and I will catch you guys in my next video.